Welcome back to Whitewater, where you're ready to work in less than 15 seconds.
To my UW-Whitewater extended campus location. Come on in. We've got printer scanner. We've got computer keyboard mouse thingy. We've got paperwork. We've got toolbox now, filing cabinet, and when my blood pressure isn't high enough, 7-year-old with a drum set.
Welcome back to UW-Whitewater and my extended campus location.
This is Gina. I found my extended campus location. I should have chosen better.
No, go left. Go fire! Not with that. What are you doing? Welcome back to Whitewater, where the games will have to wait till later.
Welcome back to Whitewater, where the dining halls to have unlimited ice cream.
UW-Whitewater. Learning happens anywhere.
We mean anywhere.
Hey, any questions about that? I'm just checking my chat window, make sure.
And that's my report on current events in the United States. Thank you. Welcome back to Whitewater. No one will ever know.